Hey, are you feeling overwhelmed, paralyzed, and fraudulent? I was feeling that way, and I just got off the coaching call with Myron Golden. I'm going to share with you the tips that he gave me. He gave me 4 tips. First one was don't hide from the overwhelm. It's a part of the process of becoming the person you want to be. He reminded me that I intentionally put myself in environments that keep me feeling a sense of overwhelm, which reminded me of a quote by Pablo Picasso that said, I'm always doing that which I cannot do in order that I may learn how to do it because it's part of the growth process. The second tip is replace the anxious apprehension of undesirable outcomes with a joyful anticipation of the outcomes that I do desire. He recommended a book by Mark Levy called Accidental Genius that's about free writing to vividly describe your perfect future, which can help draw you into that desired future. Now, the other part was to teach from your own experiences and background. Don't try to be Myron Golden. Don't try to be your coach or mentor. Just apply the principles that they're using to your own life and experiences, and your life can become the source of your content. And then make better mental movies about your future success and read those descriptions out loud to yourself when you're struggling to get started. Read them every day. Build this habit into your existing routine. It'll help you to remember it. And then this can help you to remove those feelings of being paralyzed or move past that analysis paralysis. So the overall message is to embrace the process of growth, focus on the positive vision for your future, and leverage your own unique background and experiences rather than trying to be someone else. With that, I'm going to leave you with be strong and courageous, do everything passionately, and you will have a life that you love.